What's up, YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and today is a very, very special day because you see me now? Well, shortly I'm going to have hair. Yes, that is right. In this box contains my future. Anyway, this is Uniwig, and this is provided by LaVivid Hair Replacement Systems. And ladies and gentlemen, this is going to go on my head, and I'm gonna have hair shortly. So this is gonna be very unique. I'm doing a social experiment, okay? I'm gonna be wearing this, and if I like it, this is a really, really unique system here. It's so thin, the base of it. This was custom made just for me, and I'm really excited because I've been testing this and putting it on, and it looks so natural. The base is so thin, and it's a really advanced technology. So it pretty much matched my hair color, which was like a dirty blonde from many years ago. And I'm gonna show you the process. I'm having somebody come in to actually put this on. I'll introduce you to her shortly. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be really interesting. And this experiment that I'm doing is kind of a social experiment. What's the difference between having hair and not having hair? Am I gonna be does it lead to more success? More girls, more attention, whatever it is, more confidence. So it's gonna be interesting. So let's meet the expert. All right, guys, so here is Jeta. She's the one I was talking about who's an expert, and she is the artistic director, right, at Avanti Day Spa in Manalapan, New Jersey. And I'm gonna put a link to her Instagram in my description. But also, she specializes in, I've seen a lot of her work, great with women, updos, extensions, and also what we're doing today. Now, this is gonna be a very interesting process. I said to Jeta, I wanna look exactly like Brad Pitt when we're done.
Okay, I should run now.
She said, good luck on that. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be showing a little behind the scenes of what the process is. I'm gonna have some music overlaying what's happening, but she went over a number of really interesting things, even just putting the piece on my head, because I was like, I want my hairline down here.
Down to my brows.
Yeah, down to my brows. And she's like, yeah, no. Mm-hmm. And we put the piece on, and I was like, I look horrible. Mm-hmm. So she really knows what she's talking about, and I'm really, really excited to do this today. And I can't thank you enough for coming here today too. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think I'm gonna
love it?
Love it? Yeah. Am I gonna look that much different compared to? Yeah.
Yes. You'll see.
Okay.
You'll see. I promise. Every client that we do, they look at themselves like, oh my God, I look 10 years younger, and you do. Hair adds so much. Like you and I conversation before with women. Women get extensions all the time. Why is it okay for them? It's the same thing for men. Yeah. Today, everyone wants to look good. That's what we do. This is why we do what we do.
Yeah, yeah. All right, guys, so we're going to get started. Enjoy the video.
Yep.
Okay, everyone, so what you witnessed there, she actually just did surgery on my head. And this is my new hairline. But yeah, this is a really interesting process. And, I say to myself, oh, how hard can it be? Just slap the damn piece on my head. But no, she's putting a lot of work into actually customizing this to my head. And that's the big difference. That's where the expertise comes in. And even as a stylist myself, I appreciate that because the way I work with my clients, I'm very, very precise. I'm also a Virgo, which means I'm a damn perfectionist, all right? Virgos are known to be perfectionists, but I can appreciate the craftsmanship of what she's doing, and because I guess it's gonna show in the end result. I've noticed a lot of pieces out there can look very unnatural, and I can just tell already, and we've looked at this, the piece itself, the color, the quality of this thing, it's gonna look pretty darn good. So I just want to give you guys kind of an update on what she was doing and what's happening. All right, so what she's doing now is she's basically that molding, I guess, that she did before to match my hairline. Now she's actually doing that on the piece itself, and she's making markings. So the piece had a lot of, what, excess? Excess. So she's actually trimming off the excess lace on the piece so that it looks a bit more natural, you know? But the key to this is to not cut into, you don't want to cut the hair off, right? Or what you're doing is cutting the hair off, or no?
You are cutting the hair off,
Okay.
but
But you're doing it so it's going to match up, right?
super gentle.
Yeah.
You don't want to cut into the hair. These pieces are knotted, as you could see in the camera. Can you see in the camera this close, or do you want me to get a little closer?
Oh, I can see it.
You see that?
Yeah.
So you don't want to cut into your knots. You only want to cut off the excess skin.
Oh, okay.
And this is a skin piece, is what I always, well, 90% of the time recommend clients to use. It's most durable, most natural, feels comfortable.
It looks real.
It looks very real. It looks very real.
Yeah.
Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? $1 or something. Get you $1 or something. Something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? $1 or something. Get you $1 or something. Something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? $1 or something. Get you $1 or something. Something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? $1 or something. $1 or something, 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 something.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished results. We haven't put any product in it yet, but oh my God, I cannot believe I have hair now. This is crazy. This is what I looked like when I was like in high school. Oh man, this is nuts. So we are gonna, I want to grow the sides in a lot because I want this to kind of connect over. Again, it's really, really short, but I want to go for kind of a short texture type look. But yeah, this is unbelievable. It feels like I have something on my head, but because I haven't had anything on my head in a long time. But yeah, this is pretty unique. I think what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna try my crafted paste, and I just want to see how it kind of works into the hair. I want to be very gentle with this because I want this to last for like a while. I want this to last for a couple years, Jeta.
Oh, that I can't deliver.
Yeah, this is nuts, man. Oh my God. Well, guys, here is the finished results, and it's crazy. I'm trying to, I can't believe I have hair in my head. I'm feeling this, and I'm just like, oh my God. She did such a great job. It's really, really awesome. Now I know what it's like. Now I know what the struggles you guys go through when trying to style your own darn hair. So I'm probably gonna sit in front of the mirror for 6 hours and just try to play around with it, and who the hell knows?
For your party.
Yeah, just in time for what my plans later on. But anyway, guys, she really did a great job. She knows what she's doing. I highly suggest, if you are interested in seeing Jeta, she's at Avanti Day Resort in Manalapan, New Jersey. Also, again, I'm going to put her Instagram in the description below. She also does a whole bunch of other stuff.
Yes, I do.
Right? Like from updos and formal styles, extensions. You like doing extensions?
Yes, that's my thing.
Yeah, her thing is extensions. And she's kind of like a big deal, and she's, I think, too busy to take on new people, to be honest with you. But anyway, guys, I hope you really let me know in the comments below what you think. Again, I'm going to be posting pictures on social media. I may like try different styles. I still have to get used to it, so it's crazy. But, and it was funny, when I was blow drying my hair, I'm like, is this going to fly off? It's glued on. It ain't going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. So I guess I have such a hard time because I've put wigs on. I put it on, I take it right off. So, but yeah, that's it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.